Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Nvidia driver version and GPU model so you know what to install. Once done, run GeForce Experience as administrator and sign into your Nvidia account to unlock automatic tuning features. Make sure to disable any third-party overclocking or monitoring tools because they interfere with tuning. Also set Windows Power Plan to high performance. This prevents adaptive throttling that can confuse the tuner. These first actions remove common blockers, so automatic tuning can actually run. You now perform a deep clean. Boot to safe mode and run display driver uninstaller to remove leftover files and registry entries. After reboot, install the correct Nvidia driver cleanly. Choose Custom Clean Install to reset profiles. Once installed, start and check Nvidia services. Nvidia Container, Display Driver Service, and Telemetry. Make sure they run and have proper permissions. If automatic tuning still fails, clear Nvidia temp folders and log files so the tuner creates fresh data. Then relaunch GeForce. You finish by running automatic tuning and immediately doing a short benchmark to confirm stable clocks and temperatures. If results look good, re-enable any profiles or overclocking tools one at a time to verify they don't break tuning. Make sure to save a clean profile. If tuning still fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to check for group policies, antivirus blocks, or enterprise management tools that may disable Nvidia telemetry or service startup. Removing that block usually restores automatic tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.